What if I told you that the secret to better health, tastier meals and a cleaner environment is just hiding in plain sight? This is a good example, the lemon peel. By the end of this video, you will never look at the lemon the same way again. Did you know this, that the lemon peel has some nutrients which are not at all present in the lemon juice? It's true, and this is just the start. Are you ready to learn some simple ways to benefit from the vitamins, minerals and antioxidants packed into the lemon peel? You will also discover that using the lemon peel is a win-win for your health and our planet's health. So, are you ready to discover more about this hidden treasure in your kitchen? Let's get started on this zesty journey together. Do watch right until the mull point of the episode. As I was researching for this video, I discovered 3 words that are commonly used in connection with the leftovers after extracting the lemon juice from the lemon. Now these are lemon peel, lemon rind and lemon zest. So now let's look at some fun facts associated with these words to clear any kind of confusion. Lemon zest is the thin, bright yellow outer layer of a lemon. It contains essential oils that provide the strong lemony flavor and aroma. Now, this lemon zest is typically removed using a grater and it is used for garnishing and flavoring. But in my opinion, this is a very laborious and time-consuming task, so I never try and remove the lemon zest. The term lemon rind is sometimes used synonymously with lemon peel. However, it refers specifically to the zest along with a small portion of the white pith within. The lemon peel includes everything excluding the flesh and the seeds. So, the peel includes both the zest and all of the pith. In this video, I will only be referring to lemon peel as we will be focusing on the easiest way to use the leftovers after we extract the juice and discard the seeds. Now that we have cleared all the confusions regarding the various definitions, let's look at the amazing health benefits of the lemon peel. So, what's in this magical lemon peel? First, let us take a quick look at its most important nutritional content. It's extremely high in fiber. Virtually all the fiber in a lemon is in the peel. It is particularly high in pectin, which in itself is supportive of gut health. Almost 10% is protein. The high mineral content is worthy of mention, very high in potassium, calcium, phosphorus and magnesium. Also has lower levels of sodium, iron, zinc and copper. Lemon peels also contain a number of phenolic compounds such as flavonoids and phenolic acids that contribute richly to its antioxidant properties. The flavonoid naringin, unique to citrus fruits, largely is concentrated in the peel. Although lower than in lemon juice, vitamin C is the most important of vitamins in lemon peel also. There are small amounts of various other vitamins including vitamin A, B5, B9, etc. Are you ready to transform your family's meal with the power of the lemon peel? Come, let's look at some easy ways to incorporate this nutritious treasure into our daily meals. And you will be really amazed to know how indeed easy it is. So here's my collection of lemon peels at the end of every week. So after I extract juice of the lemon, I collect the lemon peels, close it in an airtight container and put it in the refrigerator and use it at the end of the week. Let's start with a family-friendly recipe idea that will make your taste buds dance. An ultra-simple lemon peel pickle. So now let me start cutting the lemon peel to make the pickle. So I'm just stacking these lemon peels and cutting it into 4. Let me add this. The simple spices that I am going to be using is half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. This is not a spice, this is jaggery powder which is optional. 1 teaspoon. This is about 1.5 teaspoons of chili powder, and the proportion you can change according to your requirement, and salt to taste. Any other spice that you would like to add is most welcome. So let me add this turmeric, jaggery, chili powder and salt. Now mix this nicely so that all the spices are evenly coated on the lemon peel. And by the way, no oil at all. So now that I have mixed the spices, I'll transfer this to a glass bottle. So after you transfer this, close and leave it out for a minimum of 8 to 10 days. Every day open it and take a spoon and stir the contents. And within about 8 to 10 days, the pickle will get softened. And then you can transfer this to a refrigerator. So now this is 10 days since I've kept these lemon peels outside with the spices, and see, it has changed color and it has softened. See, it's soft. At this stage, you can store this bottle in the refrigerator, a perfect combination for curd rice. With so many nutrients packed in the lemon peel, how can there be no health benefits? Let's look at some of these. Lemon peel has broad spectrum antimicrobial properties. Lemon peel extract can help reduce insulin resistance too. Trying to maintain a healthy weight of youngsters? Lemon peel could help manage diet-induced obesity. Have you seen my video on how to use orange peels? If not, do watch it definitely after watching this video. However, lemon peels may have higher antioxidant activities compared to peels of orange, lime or grapefruit. They reduce cell damage due to oxidative stress. Lemon peel is heart friendly because it can lower bad cholesterol and systolic blood pressure. If your family struggles with conditions like arthritis or an inflamed intestine or colon, lemon peel might offer some relief. A healthy gut is crucial for overall wellness. Lemon peel supports the growth of good bacteria in your gut. As you can see, by adding lemon peel to your family's diet, you're just not only reducing waste, but you're improving the health of your family. Here's the second ultra simple recipe that can make your kids' taste bud dance with joy. A very simple lemon peel sandwich spread. Now our next recipe is how to make a simple lemon peel marmalade. So let's see how to cut the lemon peel. So just stack it and we will cut it into strips so that the strips can be easily blended in the mixie jar. So now let's just transfer these strips into the chutney jar of the mixie and shred them. So now let's shred these lemon peels. We need to make it a little finer. Oh, what a lemony aroma as I open it. So see, it's finely shredded. So here are the shredded lemon peels which I am transferring into a bottle. So, such a simple lemon peel marmalade with just 2 ingredients, lemon peel and honey. So now I am going to be adding this honey to the shredded lemon peel. Let me give it a stir before I add more. You add honey so that the lemon peels are completely soaked in it. So now these lemon rinds are completely soaked. So I'm going to be closing this and keeping it out for about 8 to 10 days. Do open the bottle daily and give it a mix with the help of a spoon, and if you feel that the level of honey has gone down, then you can add honey on top, mix it and again keep it. This stays outside at room temperature for about 8 to 10 days, and after that our marmalade will be ready. So here's my lemon peel marmalade. It looks like this after 10 days. Now see the color, it's darkened and it's very tasty. Children will love it as a sandwich spread, or it goes very well with chapatis and puris. And vegans can use jaggery syrup instead of honey. and this can be kept outside at room temperature, does not need refrigeration. Are you excited to start using lemon peels in your family diet daily? How else can you use the lemon peels? Just pause and think, and you will come up with much more creative ideas to incorporate lemon peel in your meals. What dishes do you think that could benefit from this zesty, nutritious lemon peel? It's easier than you think. How about adding some lemon peels to your cake batter, or even adding it to your morning smoothie or yogurt? The subtle lemon flavor can help enhance the flavors without overwhelming your senses. Do share all your innovative ideas in the comment section below so that all our viewers can benefit. And if you liked these ideas, how about giving us a super thanks? Your support will help us create more such videos which will add value to your lives. But wait, are you still wondering whether the extra effort is really worth it? Isn't lemon juice just good enough? Shall we mull over it? Have you ever wondered about the differences between the lemon peel and the lemon juice? Though they come from the same fruit, their nutritional profiles are very different. Come, let's look at them. Of course, the vitamin C in the lemon juice is 5 times more than the peel of the lemon. But there is still extra vitamin C you are missing out on if you are only using the juice. But vitamin C isn't the only nutrient these lemon peels offer. The dietary fiber, especially pectin, is only in the peel. While antioxidants may be common to both, but the flavonoid naringin, unique to citrus fruits, is much more in the peel than in the juice. What about minerals? Again, the various minerals like potassium, phosphorus, calcium, magnesium and more are largely in the lemon peel only. And finally, the lemon peel has some unique essential oils that you won't find in the juice, like limonene. Are you starting to see the benefits of using the whole lemon? By using the peel and the juice, you're getting a much wider range of nutrients. That is having 2 superfoods in one go. Which part of the lemon would you pay more attention to herewith? The peel, the juice, or both? Leave your comments in the comment section below. If you found this video valuable, do subscribe to the channel and share this video as widely as possible. Hey, have you subscribed to Munch and Mull? Do click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon to receive notifications of my newest videos uploaded every Saturday.